Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit notification settings on Pinterest. To do this, first of all, launch your Pinterest, and the next thing you do, from the home page, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, click on view profile, click on edit profile, and then click on notification on the left hand menu. And now you can edit your notification. Then you can decide to pick which notification to see while in the app or the site. You can edit that. You can edit the email, to pick which notification to get by email. You can edit which notification to get on your phone or computer. So just click on edit in front of it, and then you can now listen the category, turn off anyone you don't want. So say I don't want this one. So once you're through with that, you can click on save. You can do the same for email. Under email, the categories of emails you don't want, you can remove the ones you don't want. And then on Pinterest, you can also edit the notifications to get directly on Pinterest. And once you're through, you click on save. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.